Okay, we have some word that there is some bad red rope licorice circulating in the crowd. Repeat, stay away from the red rope licorice.
Here's a quick PSA for anyone in my audience with an experimental aircraft. Go ahead, take a look under your panel, and if you see any of this stuff, this green polyurethane tubing, get rid of it. I had an aborted takeoff the other day due to airspeed not coming alive. After doing some searching into my pitot static system, I found this stuff cracked and broken in multiple places. You may know that the Sonex has a plastic header tank behind the panel, great at holding fuel, but fumes can permeate through. If you ever had an old dirt bike, you know what that does to your tank graphics, and I suspect that that and age hardened the lines. So once again, take a look. If you have it, get rid of it. Blue skies.